Time is going fast on the clock. Nothing I can do to make it stop. It won't stop. It's going swift. It goes by like a falcon at whisk. It's not fair. Why will Father Time move on without care? I sit there with a stare. More time is lost as I reminisce. But how can I forget the past and look forward? I look back for a sec. It breaks my heart. I want to break a neck. I want to throw the fucking chair across the room and say, what's going on? What's wrong? What's wrong with all of you? Why can't you see the world suffers and that we can make it right if we unite and did it right, not like the Luciferian doctrine that's pushed like the Illuminati. Fuck those motherfuckers, let me tell you how I do. Such as a clue is what I'll leave you, if you can just catch it for a second. I'm here to heal, I'm here to give you the true deal. I'm Mecca and I'm real. Motherfuckers wanna diss and hate, but I'm not here to hate, so I'm done with that. I'm done with that battle rap. You can keep those, kid. While I split your wig lyrically is what I did. But that is that, and this is now. Move forward and be proud, be profound, cause life goes on, and it goes on like Pac said, he was right. It goes. Why can't I stop time? Why can't I stop it for a sec? Just 1 minute. Please let it be, let it freeze. Especially when I'm with her. Don't you see? It's young Heru ready to glide. Ready to put it down like a warrior ready to fight. It's been so many a song that I sing and rap that I find my enemies and they got fucking stuck in the trap. Stuck in the fucking clack, 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 clack of the guns. It's Young Mecca, I do it from the top of the dome, not for fun. Have Seti on the run. Motherfucker running head. You motherfucking bitch ass fools. Dirty like a pedophile, the kid that's a kid. You're all scum. And I'm Young Heru, I got you motherfuckers on the run still. Down for the kill. Motherfucking damn right I will. Damn right I will. And I pray for a better day. Life goes on. Pac was right. Let me sing it motherfucking again. Look, life goes on. Pac was right. Right. And I'm Young Heru ready to take flight.